Good day! How do we install Anydesk on a SteamDeck or any Linux distro which doesn't allow you to use packages outside Flatpaks? Firstly, we need to open the Discover store and hope Anydesk is installed. I mean searchable. In my case, it's visible, but it might not be installed. So the question is it just accessible or not? Good question. So in my case, I will remove it so we can see how it looks like to install it from a terminal. Firstly, in that case, we have to open console, which is the default KDE Plasma app for the SteamDeck, to use a terminal. We type in Flatpak, search Anydesk. And it says connect to a computer remotely. And it uses the domain as a first step to search for packages, then the domain name, and then the folder is what I call it. So we wanna install com.anydesk. It's case sensitive, by the way, so the A has to be capitalized. Anydesk. Looking for matches. And now big fun starts. It's gonna be 5. Oh, bollocks, yeah. I had to think about a question I got from one of the users in my Discord, why this was like listed as this. It shows the dependencies you need and the main program, and everything is going to be installed. So we type in Y, it doesn't need to be capitalized in this case, and enter, and it's gonna install Anydesk. And it worked. So in certain distros, for some reason, some settings don't apply directly. So if I type Anydesk, it's N here, because SteamDeck did it. In others, you need to restart the PC completely or restart, in this case, KDE to have effect. We could also do Flatpak, Anydesk. And as we see, it is not a command in Flatpak, so let's see if I'm completely wrong or right, because in many cases it's like this. So let's see with help. It's not.